नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो। I am JBN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to take the lecture on the subject named Computer Applications, and the today's session is Capabilities and Limitations of Computer. Now come to the capabilities. First is it is self-directing, means the user merely feeds all the instructions to the computer at the start and later proceeds without any need for human intervention. And the second one is the ability to store and retrieve information. The computer has the ability to remember or recall data when finds the need for them. So the next one is the ability to perform mathematical operations and solve complex formula at high speed and with great precision. This means it is of course a very fast computer, and it can perform the addition of 20 million pairs of 10-digit numbers in a second, because all the instructions are free. Okay, but it is not possible for us, for the, you can say, for the human beings to add this a huge digit, or you can say that this large digit in a second or two. Then the fourth is the ability to perform logic operation. The computer is capable of comparing numbers, letters or alphabets and special characters. This is based on the results of comparison. The computer can direct to take alternative actions. So the next is the limitations of computer. The first is that it can do only what is designed or programmed to do. Okay, so this is the limitation, but as compared to the human beings, we are not bound to this. We can take decisions accordingly, okay, as per the situations we are facing. So if you ask the computer to get the total payroll of a certain period, it will give you only the total payroll and not the net salary or gross salary of each employee, because you feed what? Total payroll. Okay, so the second is that it cannot correct input data. If you mistakenly entered an hour rate of P50 per hour, and the computer cannot respond to the actual rate of P40 per hour. Okay, so the third is that it cannot think and cannot derive meanings from objects. This means the computer cannot interpret your favorite poem or your present mood. This comes in the artificial intelligence. Okay, now that these researchers and scientists are working on this. Okay, so the next is that it can only process job expressed in a number of steps leading to a precisely defined goal, and it can of course completely avoid making errors due to power fluctuations, system malfunctions and human disorders. So this is all about today's session. Thank you. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.